In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to upload another person's video that you didn't create on Facebook and eventually start making money with it through the Facebook monetization program. So if you have been looking forward to starting your channel or growing your Facebook page and you still do not know what content to make your videos on or even how to kickstart your channel, then this video might just be some sort of inspiration for you to start growing your page or channel or even kickstart your channel. This might just get your channel or page busy until you are in the right mind or position to kickstart or go all out with your channel or your Facebook page. Okay, so the best or recommended way to put somebody's video on Facebook or on your channel without getting copyright claims is to react on that person's video. Okay, so what it means is that when you react on another person's video, you have a piece of yourself in that particular video. So Facebook or YouTube or any of those other social media networks will not really see that particular video as another person's own. That's just because you have a piece of you in that video. So that is just how you can get another person's video on your channel and you wouldn't get copyright strikes or claims. All right, so without much ado, let's get started. All right, so to get started, you will need to download these two apps, and it doesn't matter whether you are using Android or iPhone. These apps are both on Android and iOS. You will need to go to the App Store or the Play Store to download any free screen recording app you can think of. So once it opens, you just click on it and then hit install. So once it's finished downloading, you just come and open up the app. And then first of all, you would have to come to the settings of the app and then change the settings a little bit. But for the purpose of this video, we are just going to concentrate on the audio aspect in the settings. So just come and click on record audio and then change the microphone to internal audio. So if you want to use this screen recording app for anything aside what we are going to use it for this video, then you can leave the audio record at microphone. And what that means is that it's going to pick any noise or any dialogue that it sees or it hears in the background. But once you change it to internal audio, what it means is that it's just going to pick audio that is coming from the device that you are playing the video with. So that is just why you would have to change the audio from microphone to internal audio. So once you are done with that, that's just pretty much it. Then the next thing you would have to do is to now look for the video you want to react to. All right, so I have this video here that I would want to react to. So I'll just go ahead to use it. So once the screen recorder app is on, you just come and click on it and come and tap on this settings here. Then you click on this camera to activate your front camera. So once the front camera is activated, you can see on the screen. Let me raise it a bit so that you can see. So you can see the phone is recording myself. Okay, so I'll just position it. I'll just resize it a little bit. Okay, so I'll just resize it a little. No, let me put it here. So I just resize it a little bit, okay, and then continue with the video. I'll just wait for the video to play and get to the end. So let's assume the video is finished playing. Then all you need to do is to stop the screen recording. So just come and click on it and then click on stop. So once you have your video screen recorded, the next thing is to use CapCut to edit the video. And I'm just going to take you through how to basically perform a simple edit using CapCut. So once you are done screen recording your video, you would want to edit it a bit before you can post it on your Facebook page. So the app we're going to use for this particular step is CapCut. So just open up your CapCut and then import your new project. So just click on import new project and then select the video we are going to edit. Click on add and then you just move the slider to where the video begins. So all here, I was yet trying to start the video. Okay, once you get to where you started reacting to the video, you just click on it click on the video, then you come and click on this split button here to cut the video. So right from where you launched the app to when you started screen recording the video, you wouldn't need those parts. So you just tap on it and delete. Once you are done with that, another thing you would want to do is that you might want to scale the video up a bit so that these black bars you see up here would just go. The screen recorder would have your date and time on top of your screen. So once you scale the video up, it hides those particular elements that is added onto the video because you screen recorded it. Okay, so once you are okay, you would want to come to the end to remove the watermark logo that is at the end of the video. So you just delete the watermark logo at the end of the video, and that will just be it. So once you are okay with that, you just come and click on export. I know a lot of big channels and pages that started their content creation journey by reacting to other people's videos, and as time went by, they were able to position themselves in line with what they can comfortably do, and now their channels are on different niche and as well doing very well. But in the meantime, if you would want to enhance your video overall outlook without spending a dime on lightning gadgets, I have made a video on how to digitally transform your videos to looking like a pro using a free AI tool in CapCut. If you haven't seen that video, you can click right here to check it out. Alright, thanks for watching, and if this video was helpful, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our future videos. My content strategy says I should say bye bye. So bye bye.